What's up, everybody? Today is Friday, June 20th. I'm going to share the stats for you, Conejo Valley, SIMI Valley, and Moorpark. Coming soon, we have 7 new listings, 86, price change, 93, back on market, 20, active under contract, 49, pending 40, closed 72, expired 10, canceled 8, hold 2, and withdrawn 4. All right, so we like to look at the new listings. These are the properties that have just come out on the market in the last 7 days. We have 86 of those. And the most important number to compare that to is the active under contract number. Remember that the active under contract, these are the sellers that have just accepted an offer from the buyer in the last 7 days. And that buyer is still in their investigation phase of their contract, their escrow. Um, the pendings are at 40. So pending, remember, pending means these are the sellers that have a buyer that has removed all of their contingencies and is now locked in on buying that home. So the new listings, these are the properties that have just come on, 86. If you look at that versus 49, we are still seeing growth, major growth in inventory, all right, in the Conejo Valley, Simi Valley, and Moorpark. Let's take a look at where this new inventory is coming from. Let me organize the screen for everybody. And these numbers also are a little bit lower in terms of what has gone into escrow. The active under contract number this week is a little bit lower than it was last week by about 11. All right, Agora Hills has put up 10 new properties on the board. In Agora Hills, wow, Moorpark with a bunch. Moorpark has 9 more homes for sale. Newberry Park with a bunch also in Newberry Park, 12 new opportunities in Newberry Park. Oak Park has 4. Okay, cool. Simi Valley. All right, look at Simi Valley, guys. Simi Valley, a great opportunity, wide variety of price ranges. That goes, I think we have 18 or 19 new opportunities in Simi Valley. Thousand Oaks. Thousand Oaks has about 16, 15, 16 new opportunities. And then, oh, look at Westlake Village, 12. 12 new opportunities in Westlake Village, all the way up to $15 million. All right, let's take a quick look at interest rates. Not much has changed. The Fed decided not to lower interest rates or raise them on Wednesday. They are talking about 2 potential rate cuts this year. But right now, we are seeing stability in interest rates. The 30-year fix is at 6.87. The 15-year fix is at 6.13. The 30-year jumbo is at 6.95. The 7 and 6 SOFR arm is at 6.42. The 30-year FHA is at 6.41. And the 30-year VA is at 6.42. All right, so interest rates are stable. We are still seeing more properties coming on the market than that are going into escrow. I would say we are in a full-fledged buyer's market. However, sellers, don't be discouraged when you hear that, because if you price your property well, and by well, I mean aggressively, you have to estimate where fair market value is and then price your home a little bit under that. You are going to get a lot of attention from buyers. You have to remember that right now, 7% of homes are selling above asking price. Now, what those homes have in common, a lot of them have very recent remodels. They're totally done. A lot of buyers right now in this market, they don't want to have to do any kind of work. They want to move in and have it turnkey. Also, homes that need work are selling over asking if you price your home under market value. And then these homes are still also getting bidding wars, especially if you have a home in a great location. So, buyers, if you're interested in buying, selling, investing, having any plans to do so in the rest of 2025, I would love to hear from you. Please reach out, call me, email me, text me. Sellers, the same thing. If you have any interest in selling, moving, selling, and buying, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. I'm Josh Brenner with Compass right here in Westlake Village, California. I would love to meet with you and talk with you and help you. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you like information about real estate, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to get some exercise today, everybody. Make it a great day. Bye bye.